Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the background image on your Twitter or X account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select Profile on the left panel here. And then you want to select where it says Edit Profile. At this point, there should be your background banner. Go ahead and select where it says Add Photo. At this point, go ahead and upload whatever photo you want to be set as your banner, and then you can adjust the scaling of it. You can zoom in and out as well, and then you would select Apply to save the change, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.